Hey, let's take a look at the quick selection tool. This is great for grabbing a lot of your composition when there's variance in color and shades and things like that. So let's jump in and take a look and see how we can use that for our advantage. So here we are. Again, we're going to work with this image to create this golf course. I want this golf course to wrap around my, my mountain to create my scene. So I've already finished here. If I come back here, I've used those other selection tools we talked about in the last video to bring our waterfalls around our mountain. So now I'm going to put this around our mountain as well on top of our waterfalls. So with our quick selection tool, now there's different objects here, or different options. We've got our object selection tool, magic wand. We're going to look at the quick selection tool for this. And I'm just going to start up here, and it's just to start and just drag around my composition. You can see how it kind of just flows with what I want to grab. It just grabs large chunks of my composition or of my image. Now, if I hold down Alt, it will subtract pieces from it that I don't want. I don't want that much there. Okay, I really don't need this either. So that's pretty good. If I wanted to add this in, I'd hold on the shift and I could add stuff to this. I honestly don't really need this section either, so I'm just going to paint that out too right now while I'm at it. And that's good. That's all I need to do. With that, let's grab our mask option. And just like that, it's in our composition. We, of course, have to do a little bit of fine tuning, but let's take a look and see how we can do that. Well, first, let's take a look at our paths. We've got our work path for our mountain. Let's grab that selection. And just like that, we know that this part is going to be painted out, or it's going to be masked. So I could just use that selection with my paintbrush tool and just start painting some of that out, just like that. I don't need that. Control D to deselect. And it looks like I've got some extra stuff here. So let's grab the white and just kind of adjust the hardness. Like that. There we go. Okay. Of course, this needs a little bit of refining. With the paintbrush tools, some selection tools, a little bit of time, this will be cleaned up in just a moment. In the next video, let's take a look at our object selection tool and get some golfers on our golf course so it looks like they're actually walking on this course. I'll see you there.